the latest version in the market is Microsoft 365. Earlier, they used to call it as Office 365, but they changed the name recently, Microsoft 365. Friends, this is the subscription based. What is the meaning of subscription based? As long as you pay the rent, you are allowed to stay in the home. As long as you pay the electricity bill, you are allowed to use the electricity bill. As long as you pay every month or per annum the bill, then you can use that Excel. That is first thing. The second thing is, whenever they introduce any new feature, you are allowed to use it. So when it comes to the version 2019 is the standalone version. That means once you take a product, you can use that product lifelong. If any update into that product, you are not allowed to use. So the license is perpetual. Okay, so it is lifelong. Before 2019 version, it used to be 2016. From here, everything you can use for lifelong, but you cannot have the updates. That means if something comes new, you are not allowed to use. Before version 2016, it used to be version 2013. Before 2013, it used to be version 2010. Before 2010, I'm sorry. I think I need to share my Excel again. I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, so I think my Excel is visible to you now. So before 2010, it used to be version 2007, and before 2007, it used to be 2003. I stopped till 2003. In fact, before 2003, there were 6 different versions. Why I stopped here, you will get to know. This is the type of subscription. In fact, Microsoft 365 divided into 2. One is for public. That means whoever immediately buy it, that is for the public. The other one is for the insiders. For the insiders, in the sense, for the people who do a lot of R&D on Microsoft Excel, because whenever they introduce a feature, there must be some people who are end users who should use that feature and give the feedback to Microsoft. Based on the feedback, they over the period of time, they'll get the feedback. If they think the entire Excel is working properly, the feature is working properly, then they'll release for the public. So if you ask me, these people has the first-hand information of the any feature. First, that comes to the insiders. How do you get to know? How do you get to know which version you are using? It's very simple. You can simply go to File tab, go to Account, and I'm sure here you can find it. Mine is Microsoft 365 apps for business. If you observe beta channel is something I'm an insider. Whenever something new comes to Microsoft, I'm allowed to use that. In fact, I give a lot of feedback to Microsoft with respect to the features what they release. In fact, I already suggested many features through their insider website. So beta channel is the one which I am using. That means throughout the course, I'm going to use the latest one. But you may have this, you may not have the same access. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you wherever I'm using a feature, what is the in which version that feature is allowed, so that you will get to know the version, so that you will not miss anything. Okay. So why I stopped till 2003? Because from 2003 to 2007, let me put the percentage of change. 2003 to 2007, first of all, I'm happy by looking into the messages you sent, because no one using 2003 version out of the people who are attending the session, because 2003 is something which is outdated. If you ask me, I say there is 100% change with respect to 2003 version to 2007 version. But still 2007 also I feel little outdated, because I can say there is another 15 to 20% change with respect to 2007 to 2010. If you want me to compare 2010 to 2013, I can say another 25% there's a change. 2016, thanks to Power Query, it is also very nice, introduced in 2016 as part of the Excel. Version 2019, it is another bunch of excellent features added. But whoever using 365, there is a 100% change with respect to all other versions. That means 2019 to 365, there are a bunch of items they already introduced. So you will get to know now. Now, if you are here, that means this much percentage of the Excel you are missing. That's not part of your Excel. So what got changed? Okay, I said there's a lot of things got changed, but what changed? 2003 to 2007, almost everything. As I said, with respect to UI, UI means user interface. That means how the Excel appears. Yeah, professional 2016 is part of 2016. Okay, so again, every version having its own different subversions: professional, enterprise, personal, and so on. So with respect to UI got changed. With respect to performance got changed. With respect to size also got changed. Along with that, there are many things. In fact, I'm just trying to put the important aspects which got changed.